In this tutorial, I'm going to provide you with the do's and don'ts of starting a YouTube channel for your brand. Starting a channel on YouTube is relatively simple, but getting found among the millions of channels can present a bit of a challenge. Your YouTube channel represents your niche, which you need to ensure is presented creatively if you want to stand out from the competition. Here are some of the do's and don'ts for starting a YouTube channel. Do: make sure everything is set up properly. The lighting and camera setup for recording your video is crucial. Having efficient lighting and a quality camera play a significant role in being able to deliver a high-quality video. Once you decide to set up a YouTube channel for your brand, it is essential that you set up everything before you start. Do: collaborate. Collaborating with other professionals in your industry is a great way to expand the reach and target a broader audience across the platform. Talk with other professionals in your niche and ask them if you can host a guest video for them. Collaborating in this manner to cross-promote products can help you reach more of your target audience. Do: tag your videos. Tagging your videos is incredibly important if you want to attract an audience. Take the time to research appropriate keywords that are searched for often concerning your niche. Tag your videos appropriately to attract more high-quality subscribers to your channel. Don't: publish all your videos at once. The best way to attract new subscribers and keep them is by publishing new videos on a schedule. The best way to set up a new channel is by posting a video once a week for at least 4 months. To increase your subscribers, plan to post a new video at the same time every week so that your audience will have something to look forward to. Don't: neglect the audience engagement. If you want to grow your channel and be seen as an authority in your industry, it is imperative to interact with your subscribers. Don't fail to reply to comments left on your channel and take any feedback you receive to heart. Don't publish low-quality videos. Your YouTube channel is a product of your business and represents your brand. Publishing low-quality videos to your channel will reflect on the standards of quality that your company holds. Having poor audio, lighting, or camera work will drive viewers to another channel. Utilizing YouTube to promote your business can be very lucrative. To ensure that you have the best chance for success, be sure to take these do's and don'ts into account when you're setting up your YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you 5 tactics to get more subscribers on YouTube. If you want to gain the attention of YouTube's algorithm, then you need to have a lot of subscribers to your channel. Even though Facebook, Snapchat, and Instagram have stolen the social media spotlight over the last several years, YouTube is still an incredible marketing channel for any business. If you're just starting to build your YouTube channel, here are 5 tactics for getting free subscribers on YouTube. Start promoting your channel. There are thousands of videos online about how to hack YouTube to gain more subscribers. Unfortunately, most of these turn out to be illegitimate and a waste of your time. If you are just getting started, then you have to bite the bullet and do the work to get more subscribers. The best way to do this is to create engaging content and ruthlessly promoting it on your other social media channels. Take the time to build a plan to promote your channel if you want to get more subscribers. Create frequent content. The best way that you can get more subscribers to your YouTube channel is by creating high-quality content consistently. Posting content every week helps you to retain subscribers, which is another important metric of YouTube, as well as attracting new subscribers. When you increase the amount of content that you publish, you also increase the number of places that you'll be found by people online. Promote your channel with Facebook groups. No matter what topic you're interested in or what business you have, you can find a group on Facebook for most topics. Find relevant groups by searching a keyword in the filter of groups in the search bar. Narrow down your list to 10 to 20 relevant Facebook groups, and then add a comment to the discussion telling people about your YouTube channel. Create searchable titles. If you want your videos to be found by your target audience, then you need to spend a few minutes creating SEO-focused descriptions and titles. An easy way to do this is by typing in the YouTube search bar the keywords that you're planning on using in your title and see what search results come up. When you find keywords that show a lot of results, create titles using the best keywords and include them in your video description. Create playlists to convert searchers to subscribers. Creating playlists on YouTube is a great way to boost content consumption, boost watch time, and retain subscribers. Rather than creating different playlists, you can create a track of content for new users to watch. Gaining more subscribers on YouTube is imperative for your business if you want to get noticed by its algorithm. Implementing these 5 tactics will help you increase your subscribers. In this tutorial, I'm going to provide you with 6 tips to help you grow your YouTube channel. When it comes to finding success on YouTube, it can be challenging to produce algorithm-friendly content that will attract more viewers and keep them watching. Here are 6 tips for optimizing your video content on YouTube to grow your subscribers. Tip number 1. Post multiple times a week. Recent reports have uncovered that channels that post more videos than once a week are performing better than those who don't and are receiving more recommended views. If you can, try posting a video 3 or more times a week to your channel. Keeping a regular schedule can quickly raise your channel in YouTube's algorithm. Tip number 2. Start each video with a hook. The way you will hook your viewers will depend on you and your content. If you have a video that shows a project, make sure you show the result at the beginning of your video. Providing videos with a stunning result increases their interest in how you achieved it. Stories are another way to pique the interest of your viewers. When you start with a story, viewers will want to stick around to see how it ends. Tip number 3. Keep opening credits and titles brief. People have short attention spans, so including a long title or credit sequence at the start of your video will cause viewers to lose interest. Long opening sequences also discourage binge watching because other viewers don't want to see the same long sequence over and over again. Instead, you want to make sure your opener isn't longer than 5 seconds. Tip number 4. Add end screens. End screens are interactive elements in your video that link to your channel, other videos, or webpage. These can be only added in the last 20 seconds of a video, so you need to plan where to place the end screens. End screens tend to work best when the on-screen presenter is still talking and providing information. Tip number 5. Edit out distractions. Meandering talking, long pauses, and bouncing from one subject to another will have your viewers looking for more exciting videos. You want to keep the tangents to a minimum and avoid giving viewers reasons to click away. Tip number 6. Design eye-catching thumbnails. Thumbnails can make or break your YouTube success. Suggested videos are the leading source of organic traffic, which means that your video thumbnail needs to stand out when it appears in the suggested videos section of the platform. If you want to grow your YouTube channel, then you need to develop content that keeps your viewers and algorithm in mind. These 6 tips can get you well on your way to creating content that will help you grow your YouTube channel. In this presentation, I'm going to share with you 6 secrets for growing your YouTube channel. For several years, video marketing has been on the rise. Consumers today spend billions of hours every day watching videos. If you want to leverage the power of YouTube, the world's second largest search engine, here are 6 secrets to help you do that. Create your videos based on a single topic or keyword. Similar to a blog post, you need to identify the keywords you want to target when you are planning your video. Picking a keyword before you create your video will allow you to better plan the content you want to share. Another reason to choose your keywords beforehand is so you can incorporate them into your video script. Repeating your keywords multiple times will help you rank higher. Optimize your title and description. If you want your videos to rank high on YouTube's search feature, then you need to optimize both your video title and description. While your title needs to be catchy, it also needs to have the keywords that you want to be ranked for in the title. This goes for the video description as well. You need to treat the description of your video like a summary blog post. Leverage YouTube cards. The longer someone stays on your YouTube channel, the better ranked they will be. You can see the exact points where viewers tend to abandon your videos with your YouTube video analytics. You can use this information to add recommended videos with YouTube cards at the precise point where viewers are leaving. This allows users to check out your other videos and stay on your channel. Leverage playlist URLs. At the end of your videos, YouTube will show a list of recommended videos for the viewer to watch next. Sometimes they will be your videos, other times they'll be for other channels. You can use well-crafted playlists to keep users on your channel. When a viewer starts to watch one of your videos in your playlist, the platform will auto-cue the next video in your playlist to keep the viewer engaged. The best part is that they can be triggered anywhere in the video with a unique URL. Engage with your audience. If you have high engagement on your YouTube channel, you'll be rewarded with higher rankings. It is incredibly important to engage with your viewers in the comment section of your video. You want to try to respond to every comment that you receive. This not only helps with your video engagement, but it will also help you mold your community as you see fit. Keep your related channels on. One of the biggest mistakes you can make is turning off YouTube's related channels feature. When you turn off this feature, you end up removing yourself from YouTube's recommendations. This means that you will lose the network's effect that makes YouTube the powerhouse that it is. If you are on YouTube, then you probably are looking for good ways to grow your business's YouTube channel. These 6 secrets will help you optimize your YouTube channel and increase your subscribers. In this presentation, I'm going to provide you with the 3 steps you need to take to be more successful on YouTube. With 1 billion users and over 300 hours of content uploaded every minute, YouTube is an incredibly powerful tool for any business. If you can understand the platform, you'll be rewarded handsomely through increased brand awareness and sales. To be effective and become successful on YouTube, you need to follow these 3 steps. Number 1, define your choice. You need to carve out your niche and ask yourself what it is you want people to understand about your business. You won't be successful if you merely mimic what's already been successful. You can't be afraid to be completely different or put your own spin on formats that already exist. Whether you decide to do something entirely new or using a traditional format, it is essential that you approach it with a unique voice. Step number 2, develop your content strategy. One of the biggest mistakes that you can make when you consider your content for YouTube is that a viral video is the only YouTube strategy that is effective. Successful brands know that to grow their channels, they need to create new content continuously. You have to have structure and a solid strategy behind your YouTube content, or else your channel will be nothing more than a place to dump videos. Step number 3, collaborate with the community. Creators that had no budget started a majority of the most subscribed to channels on YouTube. They become successful on the platform because they were forced to focus on building relationships with their viewers and other channels. If you want to make the most out of YouTube, then you have to think like a creator and grow your channel through collaborations. Search for other YouTube channels that are relevant to your target audience and topic and start a conversation with them. Building your YouTube channel may seem a bit daunting, but if you follow these 3 steps, you'll grow your channel quickly. When you show up week after week and provide your viewers with high-quality, consistent content, you'll find success in no time. In this presentation, I'm going to provide you with 5 tips that will help you improve your YouTube search rankings. There are thousands of videos uploaded to YouTube every day, which means there is a lot of competition on the video platform. Understanding how you can take advantage of the platform's algorithm can help more people see your videos and channel. Here are 5 tips to help you improve your search rankings on YouTube. Tip number 1, align your content with viewer searches. To outrank the competition, your YouTube content needs to include the exact words and phrases that are being used in searches by people who are looking for content like yours. Many free and paid tools can provide you with insights into what people are searching for on the platform. After you've identified the best keywords to use, incorporate them into your content. Tip number 2, maximize video watch time. One of the most important ranking factors on YouTube is watch time. If you don't have strong watch times, your videos will fall in rank. The watch time isn't just about the total minutes watched, but the percentage of the video viewed. The best way to help you increase watch time is to get rid of long intros and outros. Tip number 3, drive longer channel sessions. You have to get people to watch more than one of your videos. While all channels want this, not many of them are actively encouraging viewers to watch more videos. If your channel can consistently start people watching YouTube for extended periods, your channel will be rewarded by getting ranked higher on YouTube search. A good tactic for encouraging viewers to watch more videos is to use clickable thumbnails or end cards. Tip number 4, keep your content consistent. Like Google, YouTube likes authority, so if you regularly upload videos focused on the same topic for many years, then you will be much more likely to rank higher for related search terms. When it comes to choosing topics, it's best to pick a narrow niche and stick with it. Tip number 5, cultivate audience engagement. While comments, shares, and likes are great for providing social proof, and comments are a great way to gain feedback and insight from your audience, switching up your call to action to encourage engagement can give you a healthy boost in the search algorithm. As with any social media platform that you use for your business, you'll only get out of YouTube what you put into it. If you want to improve your search ranking, then you should consider these 5 steps. In this presentation, I'm going to share with you 4 ways to create a popular YouTube channel for your business. With close to 1 billion unique viewers every month, YouTube has become an excellent tool for marketing your business. However, if you don't have the viewers or your viewers haven't increased in a while, then it might be time for you to rethink your strategies. Here are 4 ways that you can create a popular YouTube channel for your business. Design your brand. You'll need to determine what the overall theme of your videos are going to be and how you want your YouTube channel to be known. With the massive influx of video being uploaded to YouTube every day, You need to make sure that your videos have a unique quality that will make them stand out from the crowd. The name of your YouTube channel should also incorporate what kinds of videos your viewers can expect from your channel. It will also help to include your business logo. That will help to attract and keep people's attention. Produce quality videos. While you may produce extremely creative videos or thought-provoking, if the production value of the video is low quality, no one will continue to play it after the first few seconds. Do yourself a favor and invest in a high-quality camera that can capture videos in HD. Luckily, many of the smartphones on the market today can do this. If your YouTube channel primarily uses graphics, make sure to use a video editing program that is recommended by the professionals. Complete the description. Make sure that you are completing the description for each video and are optimizing it with relevant keywords. The description is where you can freely state anything you want about the video. The description allows viewers to know more about the video before and after watching it. Not only is giving complete information professional, but it also lets your viewers know that you are serious about what you are doing. Work on your tags. The tags allow your videos to be categorized and appear easily in YouTube searches. Make sure that the tags that you use are relevant to your video. Avoid using popular tags that are currently trending on YouTube. If your video is about making cookies from scratch, put that specific tag first, followed by the more generic ones. If you want to increase your popularity on YouTube, then you need to focus on creating the best YouTube channel as you can. Utilize these 4 techniques to create a popular YouTube channel.